Folum Gaelic, learn Irish. Adger Ní Pádraig, St. Patrick's Prayer. Christ Lum, Christ be with me. Christ Rome, Christ before me. Christ in the year, Christ behind me. Christ unum, Christ within me. Christ Fum, Christ beneath me. Christ bosom, Christ above me. Christ Ermalav Yesh, Christ on my right side. Christ Ermalav Clay, Christ on my left. Christ the Greek Actina, Christ in the heart of everyone. Lina Larum, with whom I speak. Christ the male Gactina, Christ in the mouth of everyone. Alaurus Yum, who speaks to me. Christ in Oxo, Christ in every eye, the Yarkasorum that looks at me. Christ in Oclus, Christ in every ear, a Clinis me that hears me. Padger Ní Pádraig, Christ Yum, Christ Rome, Christ Emilia, Christ Unum, Christ Fum, Christ Ursum, Christ Malav Yesh, Christ Malav Clee, Christ Agri Gactina Linalarum, Christ Mel Gactina Alaurus Yum, Christ Ngachsuli Yarkasorum, Christ Ngaclus Aclinis me. Slam go foil, bye for now. Anach J. Ort, God bless. Folum Gael, the Gael learn Irish with Gael